Hi. Welcome. Today, I will be telling you about digital marketing and its implementation. Digital marketing is a broad field that encompasses a wide range of techniques and strategies that can be used to promote and sell products or services online. In this article, we will discuss some of the most common and effective digital marketing techniques and strategies that businesses and individuals use to attract, engage, and convert their target audience. Number 1, Search Engine Optimization, SEO, is the process of optimizing your website and content to rank higher in search engine results pages, SERPs, for specific keywords and phrases. By improving your website's visibility in search results, you can increase the amount of organic traffic to your site and attract more potential customers. Number 2, Search Engine Marketing, SEM, is a paid form of online advertising that involves bidding on keywords to appear at the top of search results pages. SEM can be a highly effective way to drive targeted traffic to your website and generate leads and sales quickly. Google Ads is the most popular platform for SEM, but there are other platforms as well, such as Bing Ads, Yahoo Ads, and social media platforms like Facebook and LinkedIn. Number 3, Content marketing involves creating and sharing valuable, relevant, and informative content to attract and engage your target audience. The goal of content marketing is to build trust and credibility with your audience, establish your brand as an authority in your industry, and ultimately drive conversions. Some common forms of content marketing include blog posts, articles, infographics, videos, podcasts, and social media posts. Number 4, Social media marketing involves using social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and TikTok to promote your brand and connect with your target audience. Social media marketing can be a highly effective way to build brand awareness, engage with your customers, and drive traffic and sales to your website. Social media marketing involves a range of tactics, such as creating and sharing content, running social media ads, engaging with your followers, and monitoring and responding to comments and messages. Number 5, Influencer marketing involves partnering with influencers, people with a large social media following, to promote your products or services to their audience. You can use influencer marketing to reach new customers, increase brand awareness, and build social proof for your products. Number 6, Email marketing involves sending promotional or informative emails to your customers and subscribers to build relationships, drive traffic, and generate leads and sales. Email marketing can be a highly effective way to nurture leads and customers, promote your products or services, and drive repeat business. Email marketing involves a range of tactics, such as building and managing email lists, creating engaging email content, designing and testing email templates, and measuring and optimizing your performance over time. Number 7, Affiliate marketing involves partnering with other websites or individuals to promote your products or services, and paying them a commission for each sale they generate. You can use affiliate marketing to expand your reach, increase your sales, and only pay for the conversions you receive. Number 8, Video marketing involves creating and sharing videos, such as product demos, explainer videos, webinars, and more, to promote your products or services and engage your audience. You can use video marketing to showcase your brand's personality, educate your audience, and improve conversions. Number 9, Chatbot marketing involves using chatbots, automated messaging software, to engage with your audience, answer their questions, and promote your products or services. You can use chatbot marketing to provide instant customer service, offer product recommendations, and gather feedback on your brand. Number 10, Retargeting involves showing targeted ads to people who have already visited your website or engaged with your brand in some way, in order to encourage them to return and make a purchase. You can use retargeting to improve your conversion rates, reduce shopping cart abandonment, and increase customer lifetime value. In summary, there are many digital marketing techniques that you can use to reach and engage your customers online. The key is to understand your target audience, set clear goals, and choose the techniques that will best meet your business's needs and budget. I hope this video has been informative for you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this channel. Bye.